Hurriyat should benefit from mainstream advice drive. Nazir Gilani's sterile and boxed political wisdom would not be in the interests of any people. Addressing the Government of India or the United Nations in particular, and at times Government of Pakistan in general, through shutdowns or marches or press statements, should not be the ultimate and the only instrument of political expression in Kashmir. Our politics has heavily relied on shutdowns and marches, and with the passage of time the opposition is able to adjust its response to a routine. Even the people called upon to continue to follow a beaten path start getting tired and begin to question the merits of the wisdom in a political agenda. A boxed political wisdom is the fertile ground for nourishing corruption and abuse of the people's misery on both sides of ceasefire line. It encourages people to debate and trade in Kundan Poshpur rape of February 1991, almost 20 years after, in the year 2011. All from Srinagar to Washington, from Muzaffarabad to Brussels and from Gilgit to London remain anaesthetised when we see people being paid air tickets and lodged in hotels in Brussels to debate the Kundan Poshpur rape after 20 years of shameful neglect of the rape victims. The cost of one air ticket or the charges of one night's stay in a European hotel could have gone to a successful rehabilitation of any one of the many of these victims. Exchange rate would have been sufficient to meet the living and medical expenses of these Kashmiri rape victims, who were traded by none other than their own brothers and so-called friends. Kashmiri rape sells even after 20 years in 2011, and there is no remorse for this secondary victimization. At a time when Hurriyat, both factions, and other political opinions sharing the same political agenda have failed to gain proportionate to the loss of life, a generation, massive suffering, unprecedented humiliation and the spectacle of an army of our youth without a future, two substantive wise inputs have been advanced to them by PDP in Congress, parties normally called as mainstream. As it embeds the best interests of the people, the advice merits a serious consideration. The advice offered at a public rally at Chirpura Lolab, North Kashmir, Kupwara district, by State Congress President Professor Saifuddin says the Kashmiri leadership including separatists should talk in one voice with New Delhi irrespective of the political dimensions in the state, and the offer made to Hurriyat by People's Democratic Party patron Mufti Muhammad Saeed for an issue-based alliance to forge consensus with PDP on 3 points, namely, release of prisoners, removal of Armed Forces Special Powers Act and troops cut, defines a new moment in the Kashmir politics where various political opinions have matured into a faith that there is urgent need to break away from their box positions and enhance the constituency of commonality to be more effective in the cause of the people. The results of Hurriyat's political and militant wisdom are no more a secret and are open in the market. It is not only the political and militant wisdom that carries the blame, but each one of us who failed to make an independent input, some acted in consideration of a salary, carries the blame. Pakistan is a party to the dispute and a member nation of the UN had a much higher responsibility in assuring that the structuring of the politics and militancy in Kashmir had to be subordinate to the collective welfare of the people. The structuring of militancy should have been assessed against the need to invigorate the collective will of the 194 member nations of the UN who had subscribed their vote in the UN mechanism to achieve the right of self-determination of the people of Kashmir. The two schools need to take a cool and unbiased look at the conditions in which we had the habitat and people before 1990 and how we see the habitat and people today. It will help them to understand the merits of SOS's statement that if leadership would talk in unison with New Delhi, I think it would help in resolution of political imbroglio in the state. If we wouldn't bury our differences and fail to talk in unison, then dialogue process could get impaired. SOS has also said that people's interests should be treated as of paramount importance. It is interesting and may have caused a genuine stir in Hurriyat camp when Mufti said, "Hurriyat talks our language. We can evolve a consensus on 3 similar points with Hurriyat. Like us, Hurriyat too demands, release of prisoners, abrogation of AFSPA and withdrawal of troops from civilian areas." He also appealed the Prime Minister Manmohan Singh to fulfill these demands for creating a conducive atmosphere for talks and afterwards convene a round-table conference and invite all stakeholders for finding a durable solution to Kashmir issue. Leadership of State Congress and PDP were addressing the real people while making these 2 important statements. PDP leadership has made a substantive statement and has very rightly cautioned the state government that they can arrest the people but can't hold their ideologies captive. Youth are being arrested on pretext of stone pelting and slapped with PSAs. We will not tolerate it and won't allow the government to make the future of youth bleak. PDP patrons should be credited for revisiting his past and for his admission that "I know the tricks and have played many since last few decades, but today the case is entirely different. Yes, when I was in centre, we toppled Farooq Abdullah, but at this juncture I want to bring out people of Kashmir from suffocation and siege." There is no reason to question the fact that PDP patron has matured into a belief that the people of Kashmir need help and leaders have to reposition themselves. Politics is revision of the past and redesigning the future political phrase. A new political challenge and very rightly unthreatening has been offered to Hurriyat by PDP in the Congress. Hurriyat can't continue to remain detached from the life and habitat of its people and can't afford to say an unending no to Indians, Pakistanis or others who want to interact with them to know about their kind of public welfare and the kind of self-determination and azadi at a time when a generation has been killed and people continue to remain distributed and administered in 3 administrations. Hurriyat has been advised and invited to join other political forces to speak with one voice for the resolution of the dispute, to seek alliance for the release of prisoners, abrogation of AFSPA and withdrawal of troops from civilian areas. It has been alerted to the fact that Kashmiri youth are facing a bleak future. In fact, State Congress and PDP leadership has been speaking to the real people in their rallies and have without doubt repositioned their political phrase in the best interests of the people and on the basis of a credible proposal. Hurriyat and all other political and civil society opinions should pay an urgent heed to these developments and examine ways and means to foster the constituency of commonality in the best interests of the people and habitat of Kashmir. Author is London-based Secretary-General of JKCHR, NGO in special consultative status with the United Nations and can be mailed at dr-naziagilani@jkchr.com.